Alright, what is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to be breaking down my two trade signals that I sent out today that did over 1,000 easy pips. US 30 and NAS 100. I literally tell everyone you can just come each and every single day and just trade one out of these two and make big money day in and day out. Today was a monster day for me. $22,000 in profit. Yes, I took two lots of US 30, but I think going forward I'm going to start taking smaller lot size just to show everybody that you don't need a big account to make good profit on these trades, on these setups, right? Literally today, if I took zero point 0.05 lots on US 30, if I took 0.05 lots, right? Not two lots, but 0.05, I could have easily made $500 fucking dollars on the same trade, the same setup, right? Now, the next question is that how big of account size do you need to take zero point 0.05 lots on US 30? You need a account size anywhere from $1,000 to $1,500 to take zero point 0.05 lots on US 30 using leverage 500, right? So it's simple fucking math, guys. This is not hard. This is not rocket science. You do not need a funded account. You do not need a prop firm. All you need to do is stick to the rules, stick to the game plan, and you will make consistent money day in and day out. So again, if I took one lot of US 30, I would have made what, $11,000, right? If I took 0.50 lots of US 30, I would have made what, $5,500 in profit. So again, you don't need big size to make big profits. Yes, the bigger you push your size, the bigger the profits will be. But trade small, you'll make, if you, small gains add up. Small size adds up. You don't need just to go balls deep each and every single trade. So I'm going to break down the trades, break down the signals for you guys today that I sent out in my private VIP Telegram. If you guys are ever interested in joining this, the link is going to be below this YouTube video. So let's dive into the trades. Let's dive into the recap. So US 30, I told everyone this morning I was looking to buy US 30 at 33,110.68. I was looking for a push up towards take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. I want to basically see US 30 hit these highs here at 33,234.69, right? Between US 30 and NAS 100, this is over 1,000 pips. Now, for those that have been following me for a long time, I really don't give a shit to talk about pips and pips and pips, but people really have a hard on and their wiener stiff all the time to hear about pips, right? So this is it. This is a pips. This is a points. 33,110 to 33,234. That is over 100 fucking point move, 1,000 pips, right? Now, that was US 30 signal, US 30 alert that I sent out today. If you fast forward, instantly she squeezed up towards take profit 1, instantly squeezed up towards take profit 2, and then in time she hit take profit 3, right? So that was US 30 signal alert. But that wasn't it. We also sent out the signal alert for NAS 100 here in the Telegram group. And we'll break that down for you guys. You can see I told everyone here in the Telegram group, buying NAS 100 at 14,687.29. Now here's what NAS 100 ended up doing. NAS 100 pre-market pushed up, came down, pushed up, came up, pulled back, pushed up again, came down again. So you guys can see that 14,687 was a solid number looking to buy, right? We were looking to hold this zone right here, looking for it to push up back towards the upside, towards these highs right here, which was also resistance area. This, once it pushes up, that's our entry. Take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. Let's see what NAS 100 here actually ended up doing. You could see that NAS 100 pushed up towards take profit 1, take profit 2, and then finally, in good time, in good faith, NAS 100 did push up towards that final take profit 3. Now 14,687 to basically over 14,729, almost 1,000 pips, at least 500 pips. But nonetheless, you can see that she absolutely crushed it. So look at the chart, look at the bigger time frame. We were basically holding these solid zones right here. That was basically looking for her to hold support on NAS 100 and basically push over these highs and push over this final high right here. That was NAS 100, US 30, dirty 30. Basically looking for it to push back up towards this, looking for it to actually push up over these this resistance area right here, and then this resistance to final take profit. So that's it for today's trade, today's recap. Hopefully you guys learned something from it. Hopefully you like it. Hopefully it helps and educates you guys in some shape, way, or form. Again, if you guys are ever interested in receiving my private VIP Telegram signals alerts, it is going to be the very first link below this YouTube video. Do not sign up if you guys have a prop account, if you have a challenge account. Please, I'm not trying to be a dick, but I don't want people signing up for my Telegram if they have a funded account, if they have a prop account. I do not want people in my Telegram group using my signals to pass funded accounts. I've said it multiple fucking times. You will never succeed trading with a funded account, a prop firm. These prop accounts, these funded accounts, prop firms, funded accounts, they are meant and built off of one thing and one thing only, right? I do not want to create hate, problems, or drama with people that have them, that own them, but they're set up and made for people to fail, right? That is what they're built off of, for people to fail, for people to keep signing up and signing up and signing up to pass these funded accounts when really you have A book trading and B book trading. I don't want to get into it, but look it up. Google the difference from A book trading to B book trading. That's it for this YouTube video. Hopefully it helps and educates you guys in some shape and form. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and remember guys, nobody goes broke taking profits. Cheers.